Hey there all. Wow, almost up to 900 subscribers. Great, yeah, keep it coming. Yeah, there was no power on at home this morning, but at least there was a good reason you could see. They're replacing the poles, the old wooden ones with new steel ones. I'm guessing they're steel. Yeah, so I need my coffee, right? And so I figured, well, let's go down to the center of Dumaguete. There's dozens of places that'll give you a coffee here. There's the usual sort of stuff. You can go to Starbucks, Bose Coffee and whatnot, and you're gonna pay 120 pesos or more, which is what? Kind of 3 or 4 Aussie dollars or $2 something American, yeah, but why not go to the Turkish place, right? The kebab shop and get some proper Turkish coffee. Maybe that would be dark and strong enough for me, because I'm one of those weirdos. Maybe not a weirdo, but when you get older, yeah, you kind of don't need all that sugar and stuff anymore. You know what I'm talking about. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Wow, it's like the real thing. And this salted yogurt, it's kind of like a cottage cheese drink. Yeah, but still waiting for that coffee. And there it is, one Turkish coffee, 40 pesos. Wow, pretty hot. Oh, wow, yeah. As you'd expect, strong and bitter. Yeah, so this is the interior, quite a few things on the menu, all reasonably priced and pretty tasty. Hey, if you're wondering where this is, you haven't seen it before, it's on the corner of Noble Franca and Santa Catalina Street, sort of just one block back behind Casablanca. Yeah. Oh, and by the way, I'm going to Palawan next week. This time to Puerto Princesa instead of straight to Coron. Check the place out because I've applied for a job there. Yeah, like surprise, surprise. Here I am going on about how much I love being retired, but it's a pretty wicked job. All about trying to get international carbon market money into southern Palawan, the big nature conservation reserve there with the tribal villages and all that stuff. So that'll be wicked. Yeah. And just keep my mind occupied for a couple of years and hopefully make a lot of money. So if there's anything in particular you want me to cover from central Palawan, send me a comment and let me know, alright? Now I'm just going for a week just to check out the place. Yeah, what the usual stuff is the underground river. Yeah, I suppose we've got to do that. Island hopping around Honda Bay sounds pretty cool. What else? Have a thing, let me know. Alright. Cheers, and yeah, I'm so glad I got some coffee finally. Alright. Catch you later, everyone.